Hey everyone, back in the garage with Gaz. He's over here.
Right.
He's just doing a bit of sanding on his roof, ready for the rust treatment. We've got a few new surprises to show you all in it. Oh, go the wrong way. Show you in a bit. We'll unbox them.
I'll just
Ready?
Let's see what we've got.
It's like Christmas.
Oh, this is what I ordered. These are just a few boring bits. This is my new distributor drive gear, which is
shiny.
Yeah, it seems a bit harder metal than the one that was in there.
Yeah, the other one looks weak, doesn't it? So.
The other one felt soft, you could almost cut into it with your fingernail, so I'm actually kind of glad I got this now. And this one's just something I forgot to order the first time round. It's just a fuel pump flange. If you remember when I stripped the box apart, when I pulled this out, I left this bottom bit in the engine, didn't I? Yeah. So I had to take that out once the engine was split, so I need more. Well,
we'll be doing another shopping order probably end of the month, beginning of next month.
Yeah, it's going to be at least 2 weeks, isn't it? Because that's when the heater channel's going to be in
We'll
stock.
just keep checking the website in case it goes early, isn't it?
Yeah, I did call in the day I spoke to one of their sales guys on the phone and said 10 days, maybe earlier. What present did you get?
Oh, I got loads of presents. First of all, I think these are the quarter panels.
Oh, see, I thought it was just a heater channel.
Yeah, I thought it was different. That must just be nose cone.
Oh, so these are lower A pillars.
Yeah.
For the door hinges.
Yeah. So we have fun welding them in.
Yours are basically rotten.
Yeah.
But so just above the door hinge, aren't they?
There's not really a lot holding the door in place. So.
I mean, they're nice.
Seem pretty
they feel
firm.
fit. They could probably do with a little bit of a tack on the back side to stop
that rattling when you open and close the door.
Yeah.
I'll probably just run a few little seam welds up the edges just to make sure we don't have anything.
Again, maybe we'll run a little bit of a weld
on the bolts,
retaining bolts.
Make sure they don't snap off. Nothing worse than building it all and then put the door on and the bolts start spinning on the inside.
I think once they're on, you can't do that. You can't redo that.
There's no harm in just giving them a couple of tacks. It's the only problem when you buy the cheaper panels, but when you're doing it on a budget, sometimes you have to buy the cheaper stuff, don't you? So.
Yeah, I mean, the black on these are just primer.
Yeah.
So it would be
off.
This will be taken back and primed with a higher quality primer and painted in the right colour in the car.
I'll probably, before welding, I'm going to buy some of that weld-through primer to spray the inside so that it can be protected from the inside as well.
Yeah, because that was one weak point on this when I took it apart, was inside the pillars and the channels. Yeah. Even the factory paint has been a bit problematic.
These parts are from VW Heritage as well. Very, very easy to use the web page, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
There's different qualities in every panel, really, isn't there?
Yeah, these are 3 grades, isn't there? These are Brazilian, which is the mid one.
I found out as well, Joe, when we were looking and we weren't sure on what the red was.
Yes.
It's thicker steel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the red, if you do go on there and you're not sure the difference, the red coated panels are made with a thicker steel, a bit more better quality.
I don't think, as long as they're treated properly and painted properly, I don't think.
From a lot of the videos I've seen, the only panels people tend to buy in red are the floor pans. Yeah. Obviously, because they've got a weight sitting on them.
Yeah.
A lot of it when you make.
We might have to lift these out together.
Yeah, just do this one.
We still done.
Yep.
Ah, we know what this one is.
A little guess for that, isn't it? We know what that is.
When it comes to the factory, it doesn't have this bracket on the back, does it?
You're asking the wrong person.
So this is the bulkhead, which is this part here. Okay.
So I'm guessing that's to be welded.
This will sit on top of your frame head, so on top of the front part of your chassis. but it's not it's not on the factory panels, at least on any of the ones I've seen.
Maybe it's there for helping you stopping it from falling backwards when you're trying to weld. If you're doing it from the inside,
it could be an installation tool, or it could just be.
I mean, I don't see it would do any harm leaving it there if you used it as an installation tool.
Yeah, but I don't think it would be in the way of anything. I'm not sure if it would affect whether your panel would sit in the right place, but.
It seems like it would be easy enough to bend if you needed to move it, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's these corners are really what you wanted off this panel, aren't they?
Yeah, both bottom ends of mine had rotten away. The box is in the way,
And
but
the underside as well, where it meets the heater channel.
Yeah.
That was rotten away.
The last thing in the box is the heater channel.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to wait 10 days for mine to come out.
It's going to be a hard one.
Well,
Not so much for me because I'm that'll be coming soon.
This is going to be a whole video in itself, welding this.
Yeah.
This is quite a big job as far as they go. It's these are the main structural bodies of the
Now,
shell.
is that carpet
This is the carpet.
the wrong way around, or?
No, it's not. Your carpet falls over and hooks in the back.
Right, because a lot of people on YouTube that I've noticed have said that when you buy the cheaper heater channels, that these are welded on the wrong way around.
Yeah.
Maybe they're not, and it's
You
just
might
them fitting wrong.
think that when you install your carpet, you hook it under these first. You put glue on here and then the carpet, and you fold it over.
And do you tap this down, or
It should. You probably could tap it down, but I
to
imagine
give it a good grip, like carpet grippers type thing? Yeah. So this will get welded in, and then once all the rest of the bits on this side are welded in, I'll be sanding from the base of the car up about 6 inches, getting a good coat of primer on that just until it's ready for paint. So this goodie box empty now.
I think so.
Just move that there.
Yeah.
I genuinely can't think what's here apart from the nose cone.
We've got the nose going on.
2/4 for there.
Yeah.
This is going to be a surprise opening it.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a taller box, isn't it?
That's a bit more rare. Looking at the box, it didn't look very big, did it?
Yeah, it does. We didn't think this box would be assembled. But
The nose cone was going to be assembled.
we didn't think it would be assembled because we expected the box to be much bigger than it was.
Yeah.
But
It actually is, it's just been cleverly packaged, so the two of us will drag it. We'll get the quarters out there and we'll talk through them first.
That's not out of the way.
Which one's that?
so I'm holding the left side, so the passenger side.
So this one we can do a demonstration on where about this one goes because it's right on.
Yeah, you were actually asking about this, how far back
Yeah,
they go. weren't you?
This one for me was when we were ordering it, I was a bit convinced, well, I can just do that out of sheet metal, but guys was like, for the cost of them.
Yeah, these were like
Yeah,
£13
and
a piece.
they're pre-shaped. Yeah, these were really cheap for what they are. As you can see, there's quite a lot of bends in different angles and stuff. So
It's a fairly rigid piece, to be fair, isn't it?
I'm quite glad I went with Gaz's advice and ordered this one, well, these two, for the cost of what they were. It's just literally a repair section to go. Am I holding it the right way, Gaz?
Yeah, that's right.
To go in here. That way. To go in here like that. I've got rust quite high up, so the higher up this goes, the better, really.
Yeah, we saved my front end because there are actually some good parts on it, and we'll use part of the part where the wing meets the wheel arch. I'm quite jealous you've got this because I think this would look really good on my car. So. I forgot how long this car was with the front on it.
I think you need to get your own car.
I don't need to, see now.
All we need for yours now is the heater channel, nose cone and the two inner wings, isn't
I
it?
mean, as far as quality goes, this is pretty good as well, isn't it?
Yeah, the quality on all the stuff seems reasonably, well, I don't know what original quality stuff will look like.
Oh, this stuff's really loud, so big work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it comes with all the. It's got the strike plate. We obviously have to put our own locks on it and things like that.
If you're interested in knowing whereabout it goes to as well, the nose cone itself, these side rails here are replacing these ones here, so we're going pretty much up to where Gaz is stripped back to there. The only difference is with mine and Gareth's is he's replacing these wings as well, whereas I don't need to, so I'm just replacing the nose cone itself.